This biscuit and gravy breakfast casserole is one of those that anytime anybody stays at my house, they ask for this for the next morning for breakfast because it is so filling, so good. I usually have to make 2 pans when anybody stays because everybody gobbles it up so quick. So you just take biscuits, like those large buttermilk biscuits, and you cut them into little pieces. If you want to make homemade, you can do that. I'm usually in a hurry, so I just buy them. And then I browned 2 pounds of sausage. And I did this just to make it more filling. Put it over those biscuits, and then with that grease that's left over, you're gonna make a gravy. So I start by putting the flour in. I add a little bit of milk just because it needed a little bit of liquid, the salt and pepper, and then I start to form, I think it's called a roux, and cook that for a few minutes, and then I pour in a little more milk and see how it's thickening, and then you'll add the rest of the milk and form that gravy. Just keep cooking it until it's the thickness that you would like it to be. Top that sausage with cheese, and then I take 6 eggs and about a half a cup of milk, whisk that and pour it over. This casserole can be made the night before. In fact, I do that quite a bit. I make it the night before, I cook it all the way, and then the next morning I get up, cover it with foil, put it in the oven for probably 20 minutes at 350 just to heat it through. So you put the cheese on, then you pour the eggs over, and then you pour that gravy over, put it in the oven, bake it, and it is so good. If you have liquid left in your pan, you probably didn't cook it long enough, but see how there's not any liquid? But y'all, this is like a really hearty meal and so full of flavor.